To change the primary admin in QuickBooks Online, follow these steps. Sign into QuickBooks. Log into your QuickBooks Online account using your admin credentials. Access account settings. Click on the gear icon in the top right corner to open the settings menu. From the drop-down menu, select Manage Users under the Your Company section. Change the admin role. In the Manage Users page, you will see a list of all users with their assigned roles. Find the user you want to make the new primary admin and click on their name to edit their user information. Assign admin role. Change the role to admin if they are not already set as one. QuickBooks allows only one primary admin at a time. If the current primary admin is not you, you must ask them to transfer the primary admin role to someone else. Transfer primary admin role. To transfer the primary admin role, the current admin needs to go to Manage Users. Select the new admin user and change their role to primary admin. The previous primary admin will then be set as a regular admin, and the new primary admin will have full control over the account. Save changes. Save the changes, and the new primary admin will have control over the QuickBooks account.